Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVDA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the upwards momentum continues on this one, and moving forward, I think there's a couple of really well-defined levels that a lot of people will be watching, and I make that comment about a lot of people watching because when there are lots of traders and such watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call that a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what we have with a couple of these levels. So the first level, like I said, I think a lot of people will be watching because it's a very rational area to be watching, is right there at the 548 mark as an area of support. I mean, you can see right there, that's basically the bottom of the consolidation right there. So while no guarantees absolutely do not exist, my point here is it's a more than valid thought to have that if the price comes down here and breaks 548 to the downside, that very well could create some downward selling pressure. Now, I don't mean that in the sense of, and send this thing down to $400, but just from a trading standpoint, there could be enough downward selling pressure that's triggered right there that could, result in some nice, tradable opportunities. So that's going to be the one level from the, the support side of things that lots of people are watching. And then from the flip side, as far as those breakout players are concerned, all the breakout players and their brothers, uncles are going to be watching right up here at 556. You can see that as essentially the top portion of the resistance area right here. So once again, guarantees don't exist, but it's a more than valid, more than rational thought that if the price were to work its way up here and then get the break of that level, that break in and of itself very well could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure just because, a technical level has been broken, a breakout point has been, broken. So therefore people buy just because of that. So overall, from the technical point of view, these are going to be the main levels to watch moving forward. But all in all, it's only Tuesday, so still 3 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.